So I would recommend Audrey and to travel with Audrey because she knows about Friuli. She knows what to put together in an itinerary full of interest, history, experiences, but without being in a hurry and rushing everywhere. So comfortable, rich, full of colors and experiences for sure.
I'm happy to work with her because I like the philosophy that she has on her travels, because she wants to let know our area, our region, to the people from the United States and so anyway from the other side of the world. She loved the area and she can transfer the passion that she has to the other people, because she know also better than me sometimes the local places and the typical places that we have here in Friuli, and especially for traditions and for all the culture also that we have here in the area.
Audrey is a very, very beautiful person. She's smart. Every time she comes here, she's happy and she brings happiness here. So it's very, very beautiful to work with her.
What I really like about working with Audrey is the relationship that I have with the customer and the travelers that she brings with her, in the sense that it's always people that are interested, keen about learning about new things about wine and about the wine culture itself, what we do, what we don't do in Friuli Venezia Giulia, which is something that I always liked about this job, and I've always liked to share what the culture of wine and what wine is like in Friuli with people that come from different backgrounds, different cultures, different nationalities.
She works with small groups and so you get more a personal relationship with the guests, which I enjoy very much, and usually people are very much interested in what they see, so it's really a pleasure to share my passion for things with them.